Wait, let me just get this right. So if something is late and the bank or whoever you took the money from reports it, they're reporting it illegally, you're saying?
Correct.
Okay.
Well, we just read it.
Yeah.
I didn't make it up. It's
Yeah.
It's in their laws.
Yeah.
Right? We're just a good steward of information, reading and learning the information and bringing it to the public.
Yeah.
Now, is there an account on your credit right now that you don't want on there?
Yes.
You have the ability to get that account off.
Yeah, I ain't gonna say the bank name, but no, I'm gonna tell you, it's so crazy, right? Like, there's a credit card that I really don't use, and every time, like, they don't do a good job telling me, like the one time, I think the one time, it was like a fee, like an annual fee or something. Like, it was a fee that I don't use this card. Then all of a sudden, I don't get no calls, no nothing. Then I get a alert that my credit score changed, and I look, and it's like, you know what I'm trying to say? It's like $50, and they're like, yo, it's a late payment for like $50, and so they hit me with one ding. It was like 2 years ago.